going on, my YouTube peeps? It's your boy E Double coming back to you with another review on this nice, lovely Saturday. I hope everybody is having a great day and getting ready next week for them Air Jordan 1 Shadow. Don't sleep on those. I know they got a lot of locations, but from what I hear and what I anticipate, in my opinion, they're gonna be like the breads. A lot of locations are bread toe one. A lot of locations, but very limited. So do your homework, formulate some game plans. They probably gonna be kind of hard to get. I'm still on the fence. I don't know what I'm gonna do regarding those yet. So before I go into this review, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment suggestion below. Follow me E_money_shoes on that IG. Now let's get into this review. As you can see, got that Jordan 18 box. He was pretty hard to get, or hella limited, one of the two. Foot action of Flight 23 and YCC had on the 6 pairs, and I was the 6th person. I was lucky. Got a size 10. Air Jordan 18 retro, gem red black. 225 of them things. And like I said, on the box, you can see very nice, like OG box with that 18 on the top. Foot action paper, 225 of them things. It was a quick strike. You see the stamp in the top up there. I just grabbed them and got the hell on. And then spectacular about the paper. This is not a Tinker Hatfield shoe released in 2003. Everybody like 1 through 14, but if you really want to be technical, this is the shoe, the last model that actually Jordan wore when he was with the Washington Wizards. So technically, it's okay to get 18s through the 18. He just went with the Chicago Bulls. A little bit about the shoe. On the back of it, you see that's an 18 right there. Nice, pretty nice traction. Kind of got, I wouldn't say icy blue, but you got your black Jumpman there on the bottom. I got some emergency vehicle in the back. You got a nice symbol here. You got your nice red kind of Toro suede here on the top of it by the toe box. You got your black stitching for your Jumpman and your 23. I ain't gonna say this suede, not as good as that Italian suede on those 21s, but the inspiration of the shoe comes from a race car, right? The stitching is from like an Italian shoe. You got your speed lacing underneath. I just left my cushion in there, but this is speed lacing here with your ventilation. And you got your Jordan. On the side, you got your carbon fiber or carbon fiber, as like we like to say. This is also the vent here on the side as well. Like I said, this was Jordan trying to unleash their new technology. On the back, this is a rendition of those F1 race car. So it's like a soft make of that, the tires on the F1 race car. More of that carbon fiber. You got your ventilation plate here on the side, and just pretty much an all red shoe. And then you got a little bit of a tumble rumble here on the tongue as well, and you got your magnet to hide your speed lacing system. And this actually has zoom technology in it. And in the insole, you can see you got, that's the one they had started with the fiber cushion inside, full length zoom. And then on your shoelaces, you got your like metallic Jumpman there on your lace system. The original shoes that released were the black and blue, one along with the white. The blue ones, or the black and blue ones, they actually came with a brush and a towel, so you could keep your shoes all nice and clean. So let me know, you able to cop? Did you pass on these? You waiting on the Shadow ones? So don't forget to tell a family member or friend to support your E-Money. Thanks for all the love and support. It's your boy. Peace.
Oh. K-Swish. Oh. Yeah. Going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.